Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S52 and today I will show you how to reset the device through settings. So getting started, we will need to open up Settings app, and for some reason I just captured a screenshot, not really sure how, but disregard that. So tap on the settings icon right here and then scroll all the way down to System and then tap on Advanced and go to Reset Options, where you will find Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. In other words, it removes basically everything that you have put on the device yourself. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, like your photos probably, music maybe, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you don't really care about backing it up or you have already done it, tap on Reset Phone, erase everything, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.